Here is how we can add the countdown widget, or how we can add countdown to the iPhone widget. Well, by default, we don't really have that option built in, so that's why it is important to go to the App Store and look up the countdown in there, right? And there is an app like this one, which looks basic enough, but I like that it doesn't have any subscriptions or in-app purchases. So I'm gonna get this one, and essentially that's the principle, that we get a third-party app which allows us to add widgets like this, and we'll be able to set up a countdown within the app and display it as a widget on the iPhone, right? There are so many other apps available, so you can definitely scroll through them, right? There are even others which look much nicer, to be fair, right? For example, this one is looking much better, but it has some subscriptions in place, so you can always see it in there that in-app purchases are available. So let me just try it with the one I just downloaded. So it is the Days app, and using this, you essentially have the ability to create a new countdown. So I click on the plus button like this. Let me choose an image from my gallery like this. I don't know, it might be this image, and the title is gonna be, I don't know, holidays, like that, and the date is gonna be in 2 months, right? So I'm gonna hit a done, and you can see that the time is selected in there. I can change some other things too, but I can click on a done and save, and that's gonna be the holidays countdown, which I'm actually having in the app. And then I can go to the home screen, go to the edit mode like this, add a new widget, and choose the app which I downloaded in there. So it was called the countdown, so this is what we need to tap on. And then now I'm going to choose this size, for example, but I don't necessarily want the New Year's countdown, so I hold down on it, click on edit, and choose the event to be not the new year but the other one. So perhaps we need to give the app some time to load things up. So as you can see, this is generally how it works. So yeah, you can definitely give a try with the other apps, but that's essentially it. Let me know what you think below, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.